Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 3rd of March and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So be attentive till there. And to get the updates of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username The Students Point. And if you find the video useful, then don't hesitate to like the video and do share the video with as many friends of yours. Also do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest. Now here is a question for the day, which everyone has to answer in the comment section. The question is, which is the first state or union territory in India to launch Carbon Watch, which is a mobile application to assess the carbon footprint of an individual? So these are the options. Read the options carefully and then answer it. Let's begin now the first question. Who has been appointed as the Principal Director General of PIB, that is Press Information Bureau? So it is Jaideep Bhatnagar. Jaideep Bhatnagar has been appointed as the Principal Director General of PIB. PIB is a media unit. It works under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and it is the nodal agency for public communication and media relations for the entire Union Government of India. It is located where? So it is located in National Media Center in New Delhi. The next question now. Which month is celebrated as Women's History Month? So it is the month of March, which is observed as Women's History Month. And you must be knowing that it is 8th of March, which is observed as International Women's Day. This month is an annual declared month which is celebrated to highlight the contributions of women in the events of history and contemporary society. And countries like US, UK and Australia observes this month as Women's History Month. This year the theme for this month is Valiant Women of the Vote Refusing to be Silenced. To get the PDFs of all these videos, subscribe to Adopt the Plan. The link to subscribe have been provided below in the comment section below as well as in the description box of the video. Also, you can subscribe to our course for UPSC 2022 or for PCS examinations for this year. The fee is just Rs 2499. You can also choose to pay it in 2 installments, and after subscribing you have to send your confirmation mail here at this email ID pointstudent2020@gmail.com. Again, the link to subscribe to this course have been provided below in the comment section as well as in the description box of the video. Same applies with this course of economy. This will cover your portions for UPSC, PCS and EPFO, and the link you will find it below the comment section as well as in the description box of the video. The next question now. Who became the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff to Chairman Chiefs of Staff Committee? So it is Atul Kumar Jain. Atul Kumar Jain has been appointed as the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff to Chairman Chiefs of Staff Committee. Chief of Integrated Defence Staff to the Chairman Chiefs of Staff Committee is the head of Integrated Defence Staff, and it acts as point of organization for joint manship in the Ministry of Defence. It is a 3-star rank officer from the 3 services in rotation, and this post reports to the Chairman of Chiefs of Staff Committee in New Delhi. The next question now. Consider the following statements about Swachhata Sarathi Fellowship. Let's see. Swachhata Sarathi Fellowship aims to recognize those who are engaged in tackling the enormous challenges of waste management. This is correct, and it has been launched by the Office of Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India. This is also correct. तो ये वाला फैक्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि बेसिकली काफ़ी यूनिक सा ये फैक्ट है. जनरली प्रिंसिपल साइंटिफिक एडवाइजर टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया आपने कम ही देखा होगा दैट इट इज़ लॉन्चिंग एनी स्कीम और एनी फेलोशिप. सो हियर both of these options are correct. तो एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ये सी इज़ राइट आंसर. It has been launched under the West to Wealth Mission और उसी के अंडर ये लॉन्च किया गया स्वच्छता सारथी फेलोशिप. इस फेलोशिप में 3 कैटेगरी ऑफ अवार्ड्स हैं. दिस इंक्लूड्स कैटेगरी ए, कैटेगरी बी एंड कैटेगरी सी. The award of Category A is open to school students from 9th to 12th standards who are engaged in waste management community work, while Category B award is open to college students who are either undergraduate or in post-graduation or research students who are engaged in waste management community work, while Category C award is open to citizens who are working in the community and through self-help groups, municipal or sanitary workers working beyond specifications of their job requirements and descriptions. यानी कि अब देखिए, जैसे सैनिटरी वर्कर्स, उनकी तो रिक्वायरमेंट ही है सफाई का काम करना, उनकी ये जॉब ही है, बट इफ़ दे आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग बियॉन्ड देयर वर्क देन दे कैन बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर दिस अवार्ड. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. मोबाइल ट्रेन radio communication system has been commissioned for the first time by Indian Railways in. So this has been first time commissioned by Indian Railways recently in Mumbai. So here C is the right answer. ये है क्या मोबाइल ट्रेन रेडियो कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम? See, it is a system which is effective in controlling and preventing the train accidents. It can reduce the delays through effective communications. It acts in a similar way just like air traffic control system works for aircrafts. The system will monitor, track and aid in communication between the trains and control rooms. Thereby it will ensure smooth movement of brakes as well as help in preventing adverse events. And this is the first time that it has been commissioned by Indian Railways. And if you have found the video useful till now, then don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's see some more points in news. The Parliament of India have merged 2 TV channels. आपने सुना होगा लोक सभा टीवी and राज्य सभा टीवी. Now these 2 channels have been merged into an integrated channel called as Sansad TV. बहुत important question है ये. Now the next point. The Royal Australian Air Force and Boeing Co. has announced that they completed the first flight test on a pilotless fighter-like jet. इस pilotless fighter jet का नाम है Loyal Wingman. This Loyal Wingman is the first military aircraft that has been designed and manufactured in Australia in the last 50 years. The next point now. NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission, has issued notices to the Chief Secretaries of Odisha and Chhattisgarh over the action taken to alleviate the sufferings of people displaced by the construction of Hirakud Dam over Mahanadi River about 6 decades ago. And remember, this Hirakud Dam has been constructed over Mahanadi River. So I hope everyone has found the video useful. To get the PDF, subscribe to either of the plan. Also don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll meet again next time on Saturday. As I told you that I will upload the video on Wednesday and next time on Saturday. Within these 2 days we will complete the current affairs of entire week.